Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer coins from Binance exchange to your Trustwallet. First, you have to copy your address in Trustwallet. You can open your Trustwallet and click receive here, and then proceed anyway. And now you can choose the coins. Let's say I want transfer my USDT. I will choose USDT, and you have to make sure that the network is same. In this USDT I use Binance Smart Chain. So after you copy it, you can go to your Binance and then go to your asset in the bottom right corner, and then as you can see there is option to withdraw. You can click it and then choose withdraw, then choose USDT, and then choose send via crypto network. Then you can paste your address here, and then network you choose BNB Smart Chain, and you can max, and you can just click withdraw. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.